The macro accessory from HORIBA Scientific allows your Raman microscope to measure bulk samples. The accessory requires 3 empty turrets to fit. Screw the adapter into the objective turret. Attach the cuvette holder and tighten the set screws to secure. Open the manual laser shutter to record measurements. Attach the right angle mirror and 40mm lens. The macro sampling accessory converts your Raman microscope into a macro lens, allowing you to measure bulk samples in cuvettes with the cuvette holder or free space with the 90-degree unit.